What's up, Lemmings? Dirt Diesel here again. Always got something going on. I mean, how many uploads did I have today? But yet, I don't do anything. Anyway, so we have two negative terminal. That's what you're supposed to have, negative. Quick battery disconnects switches. Harbor Freight. And NAPA. Now, which one looks better? Hardware, design, basically about the same. Well, I think I'm going with the NAPA one. This one can get on the John Deere 420. Pops can give me money for it. Now, let's get down to the money. There's the item number for NAPA. 10% off. AAA. And they show the list. They don't show the original net. So add 10% to that. So it was like $10.59 or something like that. And it's not always a full 10. It might be 5. It's a weird program. But anyway, so $10 plus tax. Now, Harbor Freight, right there you see, $4.79 because 20% off coupon, $6, $1.20 off, new price. There's the part number, item number, and use a free item coupon. Got tape measure, 25-foot tape measure, which let's see here. So there's the tape measure for free. And then there's the 2 coupons I used out of the free cars for sale thing that we have here locally. They had 2 ads in there, so whoever's in line in front of me usually doesn't have a coupon. I rip out the page for them and hand it to them. They usually don't collect them. They never collect them for me, but whoever I give them to, they say, "Oh, tear them out." And I have the book, and they never ever tell me to. Anyway, so I got this too. Not sure on the length. This is 15 inches long, but the F1300 I showed you earlier, on a negative, it has a red positive terminal cable, battery cable. That's not correct. Not because of the color, but because of that size is smaller. So I'm going to put this on there. That'll be the test. And I'll do a review later. But for my tractor, it's getting this one. For Pops' 420, it's getting that one. And I guess that's more, well, maybe this one's more John Deere green than this one. It's lighter, so, cheaper. Anyway, I mean, the other difference is, look at the bolt and nut. Look at the bolt and nut there. Now, which do you think is better? I'll give you a clue. I'll give you a clue. Anyway, review sometime in the future. But, yeah, so. This is Dirt Diesel signing off for now. And as always, drivers, stop driving dirty.